Prefabricated bathroom units are becoming more and more popular due to their quality and efficiency. The weather has no influence on production process as it takes place inside factory, and that ensures delivery on time. The floors are made with the right slope, drainage and underfloor heating. Every stage has specialized workers and environment, and that ensures that the units can be produced in different variations and different materials can be used according to client's wishes. In the office, we make sure to keep top quality for the best price. When the unit is done, it's completely finished with sealed openings and it's ready to be delivered to the building. Then the bathroom is placed in the building. Constructing architect follows the installation process. Units can also be installed on top of each other because they are self-supported. When the bathrooms are connected to the building service installations, our job is done. Our priority is ensuring quality through all process.